The most important part of your work is probably going to be saving it correctly. That way you can work on it again later and you can submit your work. So let's look in Pixlr, Photopea, and Sketchpad how you can save your work so that you can continue working on it later. In Pixlr, you're going to click File and Save. The important part here is to choose the correct file format. What a PXD is a project file that maintains all your separate layers. That means after I load this file back into Pixlr, it will still have all these separate layers. It's not just going to be one flat image like a JPEG or a PNG. It will maintain all these separate layers so I can go back and work on it more later. If I want to change the font or anything like that, I can. Okay, let's do the same thing in Photopea. One thing that's neat about Photopea is not this logo that I made. It does not look good, but I just made something quickly to show you guys. One thing I do like is that you can use Photoshop files in here and you can save Photoshop files. So if I save as PSD, that's the type of file that works with Photoshop. I can load that back into Photopea and it will work again with all these separate layers. One more. Sketchpad. If you are using Sketchpad, you can see I just made a very fast logo here. I didn't even use the right colors, but I did show you guys how to do that in the last video. So if I want to save this so I can switch the colors later, I always get lost in Photopea. It's a good program, but they hide a lot of the controls. Here it is. Export. Just like in Pixlr, Sketchpad has its own special file format, and it's called .sketchpad. So now I have something called mydrawing.sketchpad, and I can load that back in later. All right, save your work. If you want to be certain that you can keep it, save it in a couple different places. If you're having trouble, email me or contact me while this screen is still open. Don't just close it and then say, oh no, mister, my work is gone. Check with me first. After all the work that we've done practicing file management, you should be able to pull this off, but I am here to help you if you need it. I cannot wait to see your work. Have fun. I will see you again next time.